Hi cuties! Do you want to know how Rohan, a kid like you, started to enjoy brushing his teeth, washing his hands, and also, in fact, learned to keep his things in a tidy way? This is your storyteller, and welcome back to our channel, World of Tan and Hus. I hope you all are having a great fun at home during this quarantine. Today, we are going to read along a story called Brushing is No Fun, written by Srividya Venkat. Now come, let's jump into our story. When Rohan woke up, he began to play with Jimmy, his dog. There is something you should do first, said Ria, his big sister. Brush your teeth. Woof! I don't want to brush my teeth. Jimmy doesn't brush his teeth. Animals take care of their teeth too, but in other ways. We must brush our teeth to keep germs away. Germs? Germs are very tiny creatures that you cannot see. If you don't brush properly, they stay in your mouth and hurt you. Ouch! Yes, that's why we must take good care of our teeth by brushing twice a day, morning and night. But brushing is no fun. I will tell you a secret, Rohan. Rohan smiled. Mummy called out, "It's breakfast time." There is something we should do first, said Ria again. Wash our hands. Puff! But Jimmy never washes his hands. Ria laughed. He doesn't use his hands or paws to eat like we do. We must wash our hands with soap to get rid of germs. Germs on our hands too. Germs are everywhere. Woof! Achoo! Ria covered her mouth with her hands as she sneezed. Don't do that. My teacher says that we should sneeze into our sleeve, not our hands, said Rohan. Why? Because when we sneeze into our hands, germs stick to them. If we don't wash our hands, we spread germs and make others sick. Here comes Jeremy, Ria shouted and started chasing Rohan and waving her dirty hands. Eek! Woof! Later, Ria showed Rohan the proper way to wash hands. Wet your hands and turn off the tap. Then, rub in some soap on the palms, the back of the hands and between the fingers. Scrub hands for 20 seconds. Now, it's time to rinse off and dry. But that's a long time. Remember my secret? Rohan smiled. When they came back home after playing, Ria nudged Rohan. There's something we should do first. Mummy teased. Play some more? No. Take a bath. Mummy, don't you know that germs are everywhere? We can't see them, but they stick to our skin and clothes. That's why we must bath every day to get rid of them. Start by getting yourself wet, said Mummy. Then apply soap all over. Ria and Rohan giggled as Mummy's ticklish fingers soaped them up. Then it's time to rinse off and dry with a clean towel. Super clean. Woof! It's Jimmy's turn next. Do you want to listen a story? Asked Papa. There is something we should do first, again reminded Ria. Tidy up. Rohan yawned. Do we have to? Remember, you couldn't find your ball the other day. Putting things away in the proper place makes it easy to find them later and keeps our house neat. You both are so smart, said Papa proudly. Bedtime. Papa, there is something we should do first, said Ria. Pulling Rohan along, make the germs disappear with our magic secret. Rohan nodded. A few minutes later, Mummy and Papa heard a familiar tune. So that's your secret, said Papa, humming a song to make brushing fun. And while washing our hands too. That's a great idea, said Mummy. Puff! Even said their pet dog. Rohan and Ria enjoy taking care of themselves. Do you kids also enjoy taking care of yourself? I guess yes. Like Rohan and Ria, you should also make up a game with the germs and guess who wins. Now, let's see to the humming song that Rohan and Ria make every time when they brush their teeth and also while washing their hands. Germs say yucky, mucky, and dirty is fun. I say I brush and wash and I know I have won. Germs say never bath, it's a waste of time. I say smelling nice with soap is so fine. Naughty germ says don't pick up your things. The house looks better that way. I say I tidy up because I like my things. That is a good way to end my day. And I feel better in every way. I feel better in every way. I feel better in every way. Now kids, you can also make up your secret song and hum it when you have to do boring things. If you like the story, do click on like. If you really like the story very much, do share it with your friends and let them also enjoy the story. If you want more stories like this, do subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notification whenever we post a new story like this. Until we meet next time, it's bye bye from the storyteller and from our channel World of Tan and Hers.